Okay, so I have given some of her hair 2 coats, 3 coats, and what's happening is, and I didn't think it would, and you just don't know what's going to happen, do you? So things are showing up through the paint. Like right here, I can see her eye. Granted, I only have 1 coat of paint on there, but looking at other things, over here it's yellow. Yellow is rather transparent. So I have that line, a little bit there, and a little bit there. So I am hoping that I have gesso. This one's by Liquitex, and it's an acrylic, and it's a base, and it's very, very, very thick. And so it says a thick white primer that seals, stiffens, and provides surface tooth. So you can see some of the spots where I have already put some of the gesso down, and I can see right here. So what I'm trying to do is give it another base coat. I hope I said this earlier, or at least wrote it down, is that when you see pencil marks that you made and they're not covered, you really should erase them. Once you go over a pencil mark with the paint, it is no longer erasable. So do that. I will make it a point, hopefully. So here I can see that line. And those black lines that I did with the Sharpie, I'm going to go over them. That'll be like one of the last things. So I have to step away from this. This is going to have all line work on it. She is going to be so funky. See this eye right here? I gotta get rid of that. And this may take 2 coats too. 2 coats too. 2 coats of the gesso. Looking up at the monitor, I see that I have more hair on this side than I do on this side. Does that matter? I don't know. I don't know. I can decide on that later. And I will get rid of that corner of her eye when I go over the line work with the black Sharpie afterwards. Okay, I need to stop picking and just let this dry.